Hello everyone, my name is Emily Paniagua-Gonzalez and today I will be talking about EL court case connections. Now, the case I chose is the Plyler versus Doe case. This happened in 1982 in the Eastern District of Texas. The plaintiffs were undocumented children that resided in the U.S. illegally, and the defendant was the superintendent and members of the Board of Trustees of the school district. Now, the quote that I chose is, "The state cannot deny free public education to undocumented children." I chose this quote because I think that children don't have any power or control over their parents' illegal entry in the United States, and they cannot control or change their immigration status either. So they have no fault on their immigration status, and they have the right to this public education. Now, some background on the case is that in 1975, the state of Texas passed a law that allowed schools to deny public education to undocumented children. Then in 1982, the four undocumented families filed a class action suit against the Texas School District about this law. Next, the district court could not solve this case, so it went up to the Court of Appeals, and finally it went up to the United States Supreme Court, where they decided that children don't have control over their parents' illegal entry status, and they don't have control over their own immigration status. They also decided that it was important for children to become good citizens, and they needed this public education to be able to contribute to the nation. So the court struck down the Texas law as unconstitutional, and finally in 1982, the court ruled in favor of Plyler. Now, the impact that this case has on us today is that it established that a state cannot deny free public education to the undocumented children. Each state should be implying the principle of FAPE, which stands for free appropriate public education, which should be offered to any children regardless of their illegal status. Additionally, the case stated that the Equal Protections Clause in the 14th Amendment applies to everyone. This means that everyone has the same rights to public education, regardless of being residents, citizens, or immigrants. Thank you for your time, and let me know if you have any questions.